which is 225 or 30,000 pounds of fuel aboard.
They pump roughly about 500 gallons a minute.
750-pound bomb, and that'll be loaded on the external rack, probably going under the right wing there where they were situated. Aircraft carries 24 750-pounders externally, 12 under each wing, plus the internal load, which can be whatever they want to make it, depending on what size bombs they're using. 500s, 750s, or 1,000-pounders.
We had 51 bombs on our aircraft, but the new models carry 108, depending on the size bombs used.
The turnaround time was cut down considerably. We got the aircraft refueled.
That's good, man.
The specific model of B-52 that we're using in this theater is the B52-D. It's the only B-52 in the SAC force that has had the big belly modification. The airplane was not originally designed to carry iron bombs, so to achieve this end, this modification was necessary. As far as general characteristics of the bird are concerned, it's about 180 feet from wingtip to wingtip, 156 feet long, and our operating gross weights out of Thailand are in the neighborhood of 400,000 pounds.
Weapons are loaded. Ammo, flares, cameras. Now the vehicle. That's a person. It's
Okay, radios.
You're on, pilot.
On, co-pilot.
Warning and indicator lights.
101, taxi runway 361330 degrees at 6, altimeter 2900, 0.
Air press to test, pilot.
Warning indicator lights. Press test, co-pilot.
Firewall switches. Engine check, pilot.
Engine check, co-pilot.
Barrel switch is on. Navigation lights are bright and flash. Ground connected clear of the bomb doors.
Bomb doors connected clear, sir.
frequency change approved.
And fuel quantities next.
And our check co-pilot, the altimeter is 2990. Elevation here is 50 feet.
Okay, pilot 2990, I have a correction of +1.
2990, 0 correction, co-pilot.
Here, give these to Johnny. Well.
Okay, and that when the taxi across Hotel 3 busted the refueling pit lid.
45 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, we should have 1.5 left set. 20 seconds. That's when crab is checked and down. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ram. You're playing a channel signal. I have it. Take off the light. Coming up 70 knots. Now, back. Seconds. Ready, now. Ready. Coming up on stick now. Brakes. On. Feeling my gear. Raise it. Coming up. One.